Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning on the system feature that shows built-in icons. Open the desktop context menu, choose Personalize, then Themes, and click Desktop Icon Settings. Once there, check Computer or this PC and press Apply. You do this because Windows hides system icons by default on some profiles. If you already see the icon, skip ahead. Otherwise, make sure your account has permission to change these settings before moving to the next step. Once the system icons are enabled, or if you prefer a manual shortcut, open File Explorer and find this PC or any folder you want on the desktop. Right-drag that item to the desktop and choose Create Shortcut here. Alternatively, right-click the desktop, new right arrow shortcut, paste the path and follow prompts. Make sure to rename the shortcut so you recognize it, and if appearance matters, right-click Properties, right arrow change icon to pick a clearer symbol before continuing to finalize placement. You finish by arranging the icon and verifying it works. Drag it where you want, and use View right arrow align icons to grid or auto-arrange to keep order. If the icon disappears, right-click Desktop right arrow View right arrow make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. If that fails, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer, and check again. If problems persist, make sure Group Policy or Admin Settings aren't blocking desktop changes, and log out and back in to apply any permission updates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.